today is my last day of my trip to Kuwait, and the plan is to go with Khaled.
Yo, what's up,
Where are we going today, mister?
we're going to a place called Kept.
Kept. Is it like a farm for hunting?
Yeah, we're gonna hunt with falcons, maybe.
Falcons. So that's promising. Now we go hunting. Let's go. The tent here is 30 years. And how it's called? Bechal. Very nice. And now I get the official one. So how does it work? So we are in the middle of nowhere, I would say the desert. It's very, very exciting because now we're gonna play with some falcons, to be honest. I have no clue what they're going to do, but there is a drone here, and then we have this big bird. Okay, so if I understand, they are putting a bait on the top, and not on the top. They are putting a bait on the drone, and then the falcon will follow. So it's kind of interesting. Khaled, if you have one sentence to say to the world to ask the tourists to come to Kuwait, what would you say?
Like 3 days is enough for Kuwait, but your beliefs will be changed. Like what you're thinking about Kuwait, when you come here, you'll see it's different.
Yeah.
And you'll see it's much better, you know.
People are very welcoming. It's something I didn't expect at all. They always consider you as a brother, and this is very lovely, very safe as well, and very modern at the same time. So it's a country, as I told you just before, it's a mix between tradition and modernity. They keep the tradition to drink, with the tea and the nice places in the desert, and with the money of the petrol, then they manage to develop the country. So like this, they make this country safer and better. Guys, it's time to say goodbye to my friend Khaled. Man,
Nice
thank you so much. You have been amazing with me.
Thank you
A
so
big
much.
thank you for your welcome. You know what I mean. So thank you, and good luck for the future.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Guys, for the second time of my life, I'm gonna try a camel. Camel, let's try. Finally, this is so good. The camel is amazing. This is probably the last video of my trip in Kuwait, and I have 15 seconds to conclude. So this amazing was way better than expected, and people are very welcoming. So you can visit Kuwait for 2-3 days and you will really enjoy it. Alright, let's go back to France. See you guys.